Good morning and welcome to Wurzel Walks. Today we're checking out the Stepping Stones Walk, Box Hill. So we're going to start off here in the car park. We're going to come down here past the viewpoint. Then we'll go down the steps, along to the river. Then we've got the stepping stones across there, or we've got the bridge across here. We're going to go around through Burford Meadow, follow the meadow all the way around, back over the bridge, past the hotel, and then up Box Hill, and then come all the way back to the car park. This is a beautiful view. I'm not sure if it rivals Leith Hill, but it's very, very lovely. Absolutely stunning. Here we are, the start of the 275 steps. Definitely a lot of steps. I'm not counting them. The steps are steep. Well, I mentioned there's a lot of steps. There really is, you know. Just finished walking down the steps. It was definitely at least 275, or at least it felt like it. I've got to say, much easier coming down than going up. Then you come down, you've got a choice. You can either go this way to the footbridge, or you can go this way to the stepping stones. Okay, just got the stepping stones, and unfortunately today they are closed. There's actually a stone missing. You can cross it if you want to, the advice is not to. But yeah, you're going to have a little wander across. It's a little bit tricky. So just in Burford Meadow, this bit here is so nice, so lovely, but as I walk through here, as you look back up there, Box Hill, just behind me now, it does remind me of a place in the Isle of Wight called Boniface Down. Here we are at the base of Box Hill, still on the stepping stones walk. Going to head up now, straight up the hill. It's steep, but it's good. Tell you what, on a warm day, it's a good walk. I'm starting to sweat a bit, but it's well worth it. I think I've taken a slight detour from not watching where I was going, getting too enthralled in the beautiful surroundings. I've just come across this memorial stone. I have to read it. It says, Major Peter Labeiliere, age 75, an eccentric resident of Dorking, was buried here, head downwards, 11th of July 1800. That sounds like my kind of guy. I like that. If you click on the screen here, you'll see my previous video, which was the Leith Hill hike. Is it the best view in Surrey? I think it possibly is. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.